Hello students, I am going to start on unit 3rd topic geometrical transformations. First we are discussing about the what is transformations. Transformations means changing some graphics into something else by applying rules. Okay, we can have the various type of transformations such as translations, scaling, up or down, rotations, sharing, etc. When transformations take place on 2D plane, it is called 2D transformations. We are already discussing the weaving fourth on in unit 2nd. Second thing, transformations play an important role in the computer graphics to repositions the graphics on the screen and change their size or orientations. Again we are discussing the homogeneous coordinates. That means the homogeneous coordinates mean the shortened this process we have to use 3x3 transformations matrix instead of 2x2 transformations matrix to convert 2x2 matrix to 3x3 matrix. Again, coordinate. What is the coordinates? Coordinate system. In the system we can represent all the transformations equations in matrix multiplications. Any Cartesian points, point P parenthesis x comma y, can be converted to homogeneous coordinates converted by P dash x suffix में h comma y suffix में h and h is the homogeneous point. There are the different types of the transformations. First one is the transformations means a translations move an object to a different positions on the screen. You can translate a point in 2D by adding translations coordinate. We can represent t suffix में x comma t suffix में y and the original coordinates x comma y to get the new coordinates x dash comma y dash. We can show the figures x directions and y directions. P suffix में x comma y is the original coordinates and after changing translations coordinate p dash bracket में x dash comma y dash. From the above the figures we are two given equations. X dash is equal to x plus tx, y dash is equal to y plus ty. The pair of tx ty is called the translations vector or shift vector. And the second transformations is rotations. In rotations means in rotations we rotate the object at particular angle like theta. From its origin from the following figure we can see that the point P bracket में x comma y located angle phi from the horizontal x coordinate with distance r with the origin. Again we are given figure x directions, y directions and original coordinate P suffix में x comma y and the changing the coordinate P dash x dash comma y dash and the given the angle theta and r is the rotations point. So we have two equations. X is equal to r cos phi is equal to x r cos phi, y is equal to and y is equal to r sin phi. Since we can represent the point P dash bracket में x dash comma y dash as x dash is equal to r cos phi plus theta is equal to r cos phi cos theta minus r sin phi sin theta according to sin A plus B formula. Substituting the two and first and second and third respectively we get the after the rotations point x dash x y p dash x dash comma y dash p x comma y phi and theta. We have the final solutions. X dash is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, x dash is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, y dash is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta, y dash is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. where R is the rotations matrix. Again, third transformations is the scaling, means to change the size of an object. Scaling transformation is used in the scaling process. You either expand or compress the dimensions of the object. Scaling can be achieved by the multiplying the original coordinate of the object with the scaling factor to get the desired result. We let assume the original coordinate x comma y, the scaling factor s suffix में s is represent the scaling and x is represent the x axis, comma s means scaling, y represent the y factor, and the produced coordinate x dash comma y dash. This can be mathematically represented as shown below. X dash is equal to x multiply s suffix में x and y dash is equal to y dot s suffix में y. The scaling factor sx comma sy, the object x and y directions respectively. The above equations can also be represented in matrix below. P dash is equal to p dot s, and we can see the pictures scaling, and the change of the size of the change the size of an object. Scaling transformations x डायरेक्शन देख रहे हो कि x डायरेक्शंस में y डायरेक्शंस में हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट बना a d c b, एंड अगेन द चेंजिंग a एंड b साइज विल बी चेंज. देख सकते हो कि इसमें जो है ना स्केलिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस में ये जो फिगर है इसका जो साइज स्मॉल है, और अगेन जब ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन स्केलिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन यूज हुआ तो इसका साइज चेंज हुआ. इफ प्रोवाइड द वैल्यूज लेस देन 1 to the scaling factor s, then we can reduce the size of object. We produce values greater than 1 is the main point. Second last, reflections. Reflection is the mirror image of the original object. In other words, we can say that the rotations operations with 180 angles or 180 angles in reflection transformations of the size of object does not change. The following figure we can see that the first A and B को चेक करेंगे हम. सबसे पहले देख रहे होंगे कि यहाँ से एक ट्राइंगल बना, ओरिजिनल इमेज 1 2 3, अगेन 2 3 1, इसकी रिफ्लेक्टेड इमेज है. वी कैन सी अनदर 1 2 3 एंड रिफ्लेक्टेड इमेज 1 डैश 2 डैश 3 डैश. अगेन एंगल में चेक कर सकते हो 1 डैश 2 डैश 3 डैश इसकी रिफ्लेक्टेड ओरिजिनल इमेज है, और रिफ्लेक्टेड इमेज 1 2 3 है. सेम सी एंड डी को एग्जांपल में चेक कर सकते हैं. लास्ट वन इज शेयर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. शेयर मीन्स स्लेंट, मीन्स झुकाव. A transformation, the slant, the shape of the image is called the shear transformations. Shear means the झुकाव. कैसे, मतलब कोई भी पिक्चर से कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको किस एंगल में, एक्स एक्सिस में स्लेंट करना है या वाई एक्सिस में स्लेंट करना है. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द एक्स शेयर एंड वाई शेयर. फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस अबाउट द एक्स शेयर. एक्स शेयर preserve the y coordinate and change are made to x coordinate with cause the vertical lines to title right or left shown in below example. Suppose करो original object is given x axis, y axis 0 is the original and is slant, मतलब झुकाव होगा जो इसका ऑब्जेक्ट का होगा वो x axis में होगा. Means x shear preserve the y coordinates and change are made to x coordinate. Similarly, y shear preserve the x coordinate and change the y coordinate which change the horizontally line. इसका फिगर देख सकते हो. ओरिजिनल ऑब्जेक्ट ये है x एंड y का, एंड चेंजिंग x coordinate and change the y coordinate which cause the horizontal line. Object after y shear. Thank you so much. Next topic we will discuss tomorrow.